owner has died in the Santa or in any Raitu Bazaar.
एक ही जगह पे मिलके those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Comparison, there are 3 types:
up, down, right, left.
I am not inferior to anyone.
We are Swaras. We are top on the hour. Congratulations.
I want to be a leader.
Hi friends, my name is B.Swapna VIII. I am studying in 8th class and I am from Luxettipet Residential School. Okay, now my topic is banning different types of polymaths, and before going them, first of all we have to learn about polymaths. Okay, polymath. So now I am saying about contents. What is a polymath? Structure of a polymath. Types of polymaths. Identifying fibers, burning test. Plastics, types of plastics. Next, now I am saying about polymath. So Sparrows, what is polymath? So yes, polymer means many small identical units to form a large unit is called a polymer. And polymer means, poly means many and mer means unit. Poly means many, mer means unit. Okay friends, and these polymer word is derived from Greek. These polymer word is derived from Greek, and polymer is a structure of polymer is a structure of repeating many small repeating units. Okay friends, see on your slide. Polymaths. Polymaths, many small identical units combined to form a large unit is called polymaths, and poly means many, mer means unit, and the word is derived from Greeks. So next one is structure of a polymer. Okay friends, structure of polymer. Okay Sparrows, do you know in polymers there is one type of structure. So that structure is, in polymer there has chain like structure that form together, small units together, and in chain the small unit is called as a chemical substance. Okay friends, in chain the small unit is called as a chemical substance, and polymer is constructed from relatively so many molecules frequently is known as monomers that form a joint together. Okay friends, this is the structure of polymer. Okay friends, in polymer there has chain like structure, and this is the another example. So many small unit monomers combine to form a large unit called polymer, and we see another example. So friends, see here, these are the monomers. So these are the small units. Okay friends, these are the small units. To combine these units to another monomer, so we are combining these small units to another monomer. So after we can find these chain like structure. Okay friends, have you understand about structure of polymers? Next, see, observe carefully, structure of polymer. So, structure. Polymers have chain-like structure formed by joining small units together, and each small unit in the chain is called a chemical substance. Okay, small units are called as monomers. Okay, friends, small units is called as monomers. So, see here. So, these are the monomers. These are small units. So, we call as these monomers as chemical substance. Okay, friends, these small monomers are combined together. So, we formed a chain-like structure. So, this chain-like structure is called as polymers. Okay, friends. Now, our topic is types of polymer. The next one is types of polymer. Okay, Sparrows, how many types of polymers are there? Yes, you are absolutely correct. There are two types of polymers. First one is natural polymer and the second one is synthetic polymer. And the examples of natural polymers are wool, silk, cotton. And the examples of synthetic polymers are rayon, nylon, acrylic, polyester. And these natural polymers are obtained from plants and animals, and these synthetic polymers are obtained from some petrochemicals. Okay, friends, observe carefully. So, polymers. Okay, in polymers there are two types of polymer. The first one is natural polymer and the second one is synthetic polymer. And the natural polymers are obtained from plants and animals, and the synthetic polymers are obtained from some petrochemicals. And the examples of natural polymers are wool, silk, cotton. And the examples of synthetic polymers are nylon, rayon, acrylic, polyester. Okay, friends, have you understand about polymers? Next, next the topic is some synthetic polymer. So, the first one is nylon. So, friends, nylon is the first commercially successful synthetic thermoplastic polyester, and nylon is obtained from coal, air, water, and nylon is a synthetic polymer, and nylon is made with some chemicals is called polymides, and polymides are made with some monomers like hexamethylene, diamine and adipic acid. So, see here, nylon polymides are made with some monomers like hexamethylene, diamine and adipic acid. And the first nylon example is achieved in February 28, 1935. Okay, the first nylon example is achieved in February 28, 1935. Okay, friends, and nylon is strong, elastic and durable. Nylon cloths are easy to wash. Nylon cloths did not absorb water very much. Okay, friends, have you understand? And electric static is easily created with nylon fibers. Okay, friends. So, when we are cooking or any burning places, we does not wear nylon cloths. Okay, friends. And some articles are made up of nylon. The articles are toothbrush bristles, car seat belts, suits, mountain ropes, etc. So, now I am showing a chart. See here, articles made from nylon. So, the articles are made from nylon. So, toothbrush bristles, car seat belts, suits, mountain ropes, parachutes. Okay, friend, these all articles are made from nylon. So, these articles are strong. Okay, friends, have you understand about articles made from nylon? Now, see on your slide. Nylon. Nylon was the first produced by Velasi Carochers in 1935, and nylon it's prepared from coal, water and air. Okay, and advantages of nylon. Okay, nylon are strong, elastic, lightweight and it does not absorb water very much, and electric static is easily created in nylon. And applications. So, some articles are made up of nylon. So, the articles are parachute, toothbrush bristles, ropes, etc. Okay friends, have you understand about nylon? Okay, the second one is rayon. Rayon. Rayon is the first commercially artificial fiber that was achieved in rayon is the first artificially fiber that was achieved in USA in 1911. Rayon is the first artificial fiber and that was achieved in USA in 1911. Okay friends, and but the fiber named as rayon in 1934. Why? Because the scientists can identify only the artificial fiber, but they did not identify the artificial name. In 1924, they named that artificial name as rayon. Okay friends, and the first rayon factory in India was established in Kerala in 1946. Okay, the first rayon factory was established in Kerala in 1946. Okay friends, and nylon is a cheaper quality and nylon does not absorb water. Nylon absorb water very much, and rayon absorb water very much, and rayon is dyed in a wide varieties of colors. Okay friends, and okay, if rayon is mixed with cotton, it makes as bed sheet. If rayon is mixed with wool, it makes as carpet. And rayon is oftenly used by fashions and house fashionings. And rayon made with some sanitary products like bandages, linens for dressing wounds, etc. And rayon is not perfect fiber to make all the fibers. Why? Because rayon is made up of plant cellulose. So why we cannot say that rayon is a natural fiber? Why? Because rayon is obtained from plant cellulose only, but that plant cellulose treated with some chemicals like sodium hydroxide, carbon disulfide. Okay friends, so that's why rayon is not a perfect fiber. Okay friends, and rayon is not perfect fiber in this way. Okay, and rayon is obtained from rayon is a okay friends, have you understand about rayon? So see on your slide. Rayon was named in 1924, and rayon it obtained from plant cellulose, and the advantages of rayon are cheaper than silk, and rayon can be dyed in a wide variety of colors, and also rayon also used in fashions and home fashioning. And application, rayon is made with some sanitary products like bandages, linens for dressing wounds. Okay friends, have you understand about rayon? So some articles made up of rayon, they are articles made from rayon. So the articles made from rayon that are blend percentage, rayon sarees and diapers and some rayon articles. Okay friends, have you understand about rayon? These all are articles made from rayon. Okay friends, have you understand about rayon? Now the another one is acrylic. Acrylic. Okay Saros, what types of clothes do you wear in winter? Yes, you are absolutely correct. We wear in winter woolen clothes. So, all of us wear clothes to make our body warm, and we use sweaters, blankets, shawls, etc. to make our body warm. Okay friends, and people are thinking that all sweaters are made with natural polymer like woolen, but woolen is a very expensive and it is not available. So, for example, I am give one example. In India, there are suppose AIT crores as peoples, and but there are only 10,000 of sheep. So, but in our India, all the peoples can wearing sweaters. How did the another sweaters can be prepared? So, now I am saying about that. So, all of us wear sweaters to make our body warm, and they are wearing sweaters to that sweater is made with synthetic polymer is known as acrylic, and it looks like a natural polymer, but it is a artificial wool. It is concept from artificial wool is called as a fake fur, and acrylic is obtained from coal, air, water, oil and limestone, and acrylic is spun by wet spinning and dry spinning. In dry spinning, the dissolved polymers are extruded into warm air and dried out. Okay. In wet spinning, the dissolved polymers are extruded into bath and dried out. Okay friends, and which cloths made up of acrylic is relatively cheap. Okay friends, and some articles are made up of acrylic. So, see. Articles made from acrylic. So, the articles made from acrylic are gloves, luggage hanging, sportswear, cosmetics, knitted fish, sweater. These all articles are made from acrylic. Okay friends, have you understand about acrylic? Now, see on a slide. Acrylic. Acrylic was commercially available in 1941, and it made from the combination of coal, air, water, oil and limestone. And acrylic looks like a natural wool, and acrylic spun by either dry spinning or wet spinning. And applications. The applications are tinted apparels such as socks, sportswear, sweaters, craft yarns, etc. Okay friends, have you understand about acrylic? Now, the fourth one is polyester. Polyester is also a synthetic polymer, and polyester is a most commonly used synthetic polymer, and which cloths made up of polyester are relatively cheap. Okay, and that polyester can absorb more water. And okay Saros, what is the most popular polyester? Yes, you are absolutely correct. Terylene is the most popular polyester. Okay friends, terylene is the most popular polyester. And if terylene is mixed with cotton, it makes terrycot. If terylene is mixed with wool, it makes terry wool. Okay friends, and polyester can be reacted with didric alcohol, dimethylene, terephthalic, etc. Okay friends, and polyester polyester is reacted with dielectric alcohol, terephthalic and dimethyl etc. and polyester can be melt and spun, and polyester property can make the fibers into different shapes and different sizes. Okay friends, have you understand about polyester? And now see on a slide. Polyester, most commonly used synthetic polymer, and polyester can made by reacting with dicarboxylic acid with dihydric alcohol, and polyester it can be melted and spun, and polyester it does not wrinkle easily. Terylene is the popular among all. Okay, see friends, these are the articles made up of polyester. Okay friends, and these all are also, these all fibers are made up of polyester. Okay, okay friends. Now we can do one test. Okay friends, suppose I can, have you understand about the synthetic polymers? Now I am do one activity. Suppose I can give a 10 cloths to you. How did you identify that cloths are synthetic polymers and natural polymers? So we can identify that cloths are synthetic polymers and natural polymers to do one activity, that is burning test. Okay, now I am taking a candle. Okay, candle, and now I am taking a matchbox. Okay, I can burn it. I can burn it. Okay, now I am taking some cloths. This is the tongues. Now I am taking some cloths. We can stitch that cloth. Okay. Okay, see carefully. Now I am burning this fiber. So these cloths burning smells like a paper. So it smells like a hair. Okay. So we can identify these cloths are wool. Okay, we can identify these cloth is wool, and we can take another cloth. Okay friends, now we can taking another cloth. So we can stitching it. Okay friends, and we can burn it. See carefully. So we can smell it. So see again, we can burn this cloth. So we can smell it. So it smells like a burning paper. So we can identify this cloth is cotton. Okay friends, and now we can take another cloth. Okay, we can stitching the cloths. See carefully. Now we can burning these cloths. So see friends, these cloths be melting. See here, these cloths will be melting. So we can identify these cloths is acrylic or rayon. Okay friends, have you understand about burning test? So we can identify cloths which are natural polymer and which are synthetic polymer to do this activity. Okay friends, now the next one is plastics. Plastic. Plastic is nothing but plastic is also a polymer. In plastic there are two types of polymer. Okay friends, what are there? Yes, you are absolutely correct. The first, there are two types of polymers. There are synthetic polymer and there are thermoplastic and thermosetting. Okay friends, what is the meaning of thermoplastic and thermosetting? Okay, Okay. Plastics are two types. Okay friends, see here, plastics are two types. Okay, in plastic there are two types. The first one is thermoplastic and the second one is, okay friends, see here, plastics are two types. The first one is thermoplastic and the second one is thermosetting. The examples of thermoplastics are polyethylene and PVC, and the examples of thermosettings are melamine and bakelite. Okay, the examples of polyethylene are, polyethylene means polyethylene covers and PVC means bottles like polyvinyl chloride, and melamine is computer keyboards. Okay, and bakelite means switchboards. Okay friends, have you understand about plastics? Now okay, now we can do another test. So suppose I can give some objects to you. How did you identify that objects are thermoplastic and thermosetting? So for identifying that plastics are thermosetting and thermoplastic, we can do also one of the activity. Okay friends, now I am taking again candle. Okay, and I am again burning this candle. See here, I am burning this candle. See carefully friends. We can take candle and we can burning that. Okay, now we can take again tungsten and we can take some objects. Okay friends, now I am taking one object, so that is toothbrush. See carefully friends. Now I am taking the toothbrush and I can burn it. So see, so what happening? See here carefully. Okay friend, see carefully that toothbrush is melted easily and can be softened. Okay, the toothbrush can be deformed easily. So this is the example of thermoplastic. And we can take another object, that is comb. Okay friends, see carefully. We can burn this comb. So we can burning this comb. Carefully see. Observe carefully friends. Okay. See here. See here. The comb will be deformed easily. So we can say this is the example of thermoplastic. Okay friends. Now we can take another object. So this is the piece of bucket. Okay, now I am burning this piece of bucket. See friends, so piece of bucket can, so I am burning this piece of, okay, see here, this is burning. So see here, that piece of bucket can be deformed easily. So we can say this is the one of the thermoplastic. Okay friends, now we can taking another object. So that is the switchboard. Okay, we can burn this. See carefully friends.